and welcome back for another tutorial. Today's tutorial is going to be how to record your screen, and we are going to be using Screencast-O-Matic. I really like Screencast-O-Matic because I might be working through something. Maybe I'm working through a PowerPoint or through a Google slideshow, and I want to show my students how to do something while I'm doing it on the screen. So I use Screencast-O-Matic a lot. Actually, I use it a lot for tutorials as well. So let's do a tutorial. Let's do a screencast on how to screencast. How very meta of us. So the website is very easy, screencast-o-matic.com. You do not need to log in. It is free. And you just launch the button right here. Now, you might need to adjust the screen size. It will give you, I'm not sure if that shows up for you, but they'll give you a dashed line, and you get to decide, oh, it looks like this. You get to decide how big of a screen size you want to share. So for instance, maybe you don't want your students to see that you have 100 tabs open at the top, or maybe you don't want them to see all of your icons at the bottom of your screen. You get to decide on your screen size. The nice thing is then you also have three options. You can either do just the screen, which is what I'm doing right now. You can do just a webcam, or you can do both. Completely up to you. When you push this, it will count you down, 3, 2, 1, and then you can record your voice and whatever you do. Now, here's the other nice thing. Whatever you click on, it will give you a yellow button. I don't know if you can see the yellow circle. When you're done recording, you just come over here to the bottom left-hand corner and you push pause, and it will give you some options. For instance, you can either save it to your hard drive or you can upload it to YouTube. You can also rename it. And there's a couple other options as far as blurring the background and whatnot. But it's a really easy tool. I have been using it for years, super user-friendly, and I encourage you to use it today.